to get the images from other website, but the problem is that request, like I'm using fetch request. Now this is fetch request. When I click on this, it gives me a course policy error. So once this one, I am getting the response from the website. This is another website where from I am getting this response, right? So I'm just fetching the image file, okay, and converting into the base64 string and blob as well. But it will give me some error every time when I click on this. It will give me an error. Okay. So let's see what kind of error I am getting. So when I click on this, let me see this one. This is the course policy error. Why it is coming up? Because I am fetching image. I'm fetching an image from this website. This is my image. I'm fetching this image. I'm fetching this image from this domain. Okay. This is the domain name, and I'm fetching this image from this domain name. But I'm using on this other domain, right? So I'm just clicking on that. So it's a course policy error which is showing like this one. This is the course policy. I'm not getting any blob here, right? So if I go to and see the code, this is my simple code, right? This is my simple code which I'm using it. So I'm just making some code for this again. So I'm using, for the time being, I'm using like save into my root folder. So I'm just saving it into as a index AXIOS on, and putting it as a HTML. If you don't know how to get this WWWROOT folder, you can watch my previous videos, but I'm telling you once more time. So just click on this, go to control panel, a quick review about the WWWROOT panel. Just go to program and this one, features file, go to this one, open, maximize it, and click on this one, plus click on internet. Please enable it, internet information system as well as Windows process activation. Click OK, and you will get a folder from in a C drive like this one folder where you get the WWWROOT folder. You can right click on it and add it to pin to quick access. Okay, when you click on this pin access, you will see this folder here. So I am just saving it into the folder. So how to start local server? Just click on IIS. Okay, when you enable it, the IIS is there. Okay, just click on this, you will get the default website here. Just right click on this, click the binding, you will get the port value and HTTP request. Okay, and double click on this, you can add name of website here is index AXIOS. So just type it index AXIOS.html. Yes. Now it is at local port. Now you just type local host 5676. I'm not on. Let's see 5676 there or not. Just binding. is 5676. Okay, port number is 5676. You can change the port number also. You can change the local port number to 80, 80, 80, 4777, whatever you want. You can just edit and change it to as per your requirement. Okay. You can add a more port along with HTTPS and HTTP. There is no TCP port available, so no issue. So when I open this website on a local host, I am getting the same error. I am getting the same error. Right? Issue. See. There is a lot of things there. Just cut and paste here. Yes. Okay. Get this. There is another something. Click on this. It's a file must be there. Okay. Now it's a local host. I have started a local host. So see, I do not have anything in it first of all, so it is not showing any error here. But now I will started coding in it. Okay, so it will give me an error, same error. So I'm just doing it a very fast way. So I'm just putting it. Just click on doc type HTML, and here is a HTML, and here is a HTML. Right? Here is an head, and here is an head. That's a body. First thing I will copy and pasting very fast. So first of all, I am adding the simple basic HTML code is here in the head section. Look at this. I added the HTML code. Now I am adding AXIOS library script. So this is my AXIOS. I am giving a title to this HTML page as a base 64 strings. This is a base 64 AXIOS. This is AXIOS. Right. So now I'm having some code. So I'm sending the HTTP request to this page. Just copy on this and save it into this page. So variable, that's a URL, and now I'm sending the HTTP request on this page. Okay. I'm sending the HTTP request on this page. So I'm using the AXIOS library. So AXIOS.get URL dot response type. Response type is BLOB. Okay. Then response SE response is this one. So I am having variable BLOB as a response data. Okay, now console.log BL. So when I get this blob using HTTP request, let's see what error it is. It is not showing because I have not mentioned the script type. So script just see it. Now I getting the blob response. Now it's blocking me to fetch this image as a blob because there is a force error. So how do we bypass this error? So whatever code you can say, like I'm sending this code is a simple AXIOS code. Apart of that, I will use another code. Let's say click on notepad. You can say like this one. I'm using this time. This time I will use a fetch request. So just click on this. This is fetch request. I'm saving it into this. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that once you enable it, WWWROOT, right, you have to go to properties of this place, go to sharing, that is advanced sharing. No, not advanced sharing. Go to security. Okay, create this owner, click on advanced, right, and allow full control. Allow this to full control. Just click on the creator owner, click on edit, click on this places and click OK. So when you click on this OK, this folder will let you save directly into this. Otherwise it will not let you in. So it is very important. So I am using index underscore fetch html. Now I will send an HTML request. So open this and double click on this, add the file name index underscore fetch fetch.html. Save it. Right. Close it. Now go to the root folder and I have sent it this one. For the time being I am saving it to outside. Here I will save it. And, this is my root folder. So my localhost is serving as a, but the code is my code is for AXIOS, right? So I'm reviewing it. I'm sending it as a fetch flag to BLOB. I don't need this anymore because I'm sending the fetch request, so I don't want this. So pretty simple code. Just remove this. So go to fetch fetch. Okay. So that is the async function. Let us make the async function async function. It is image to base 64. Let's do this. And it is of URL. So I'm just sending a URL. I have saved this URL here. So now I'm writing the code here. Is let's have a constant as a response un see response is await is a fetch. Okay, open and close. Now I am sending the URL. It's a header. Header. I will write here is a header. Headers. I am writing in headers here. This one. Look at this. This is my header. Right. So it's a fetch. So you can say fetch, and this is the end of this. What I want. So fetch and here. Now open it. Another RESPON as a response. Okay. Response. This is also a, let's say we have a constant here for this blob. Okay, response. And this is also an await function. Await not blob. This one. Right. And this is a blob, so it will return blob. Let's say RET RN return as a blob. I am returning it a blob, and I'm returning this as a blob. So I will create another function. Let's say so function is so we can say image URL. Image URL. Passing here is a URL. And console. I'm getting this URL. I'm sending it into this function. URL. I'm having this. I'm getting the response as a blob. Then just leave it. I'm just checking the console.log is a blob. Let's see what error we are getting. No issue. I'm not getting that in blob. blob. So it's a response I'm writing here. Another script type script. So I'm just having this one. This is my other function, and the same constant on this one. This blob. There is another function which can generate the base 64 string. So I will write it here only. So no issue. I'm just typing here. Return new promise promise to say resolve or reject. Okay. So let's say this one. So we have a constant. It's a reader is equals to new file reader. Okay. Let's say reader dot on load and equals to resolve. It's a reader dot send and reader dot error equals to reject. Let's say reader dot read as data URL and we are passing it a blob. That's all. We are passing it a blob. Right? So this time, let's say image URL is stable, not defined. Okay. Okay, this one. Say, so we are getting the same error via fetch request. I am sending a. I have also set the access control origin here, and I am getting the same error, right? So, what is the how to resolve it? Okay. Now another option is there. Just closing this patch. Okay. Now I am opening. Just keep this. Okay, here. Now I am opening JQuery. Okay. This is my JQuery code. Very simple code. Is there. I have added the JQuery code here. I am writing the document image URL. I am passing a URL from this place. This is my image URL. This is my code image, and just a bit at the moment. Having another thing. JQuery. Okay. passing this URL only. This URL. Passing this URL. This is a function which goes to this function, another one, and we got this response type as a blob. Success data new file header about this. Okay, so this is another code, but this is this will also not working. See, when I click on this, it will not work. Why? Again the course policy error. This one. So how can we resolve it? So to resolve this issue, we have to go to CPANEL. CPANEL of this website. Which website? This website. This is our website now. This is our image. This is our image. We have to go to CPANEL of this website. Okay. Come to this place. Go to File Manager. Very simple. Go to Public HTML. Go to HTACCESS. Click on Edit. Okay. Now just type this one. This code. IfModule mod header C. Header set access control. Allow origin. Get post option. And this is the code. You have to copy it and paste it anywhere in this file and just save it. Just save it, and that's all. Now you will not get any error. That's it. Now whatever will you open a file, now the folder also. Just click on this. Press F12. Click on localhost 5676. Response is not defined and other things. You will not get any error. Just this come to this. Paste it here. Folder. Right. So let's place it here. Open. HTML. Let's click on this. Localhost now. Type a localhost 5676 and you will get that. Press F12. Response not defined. So, oh, sorry. I have opened XMLHTTP. What? I need to add files with extension. Now type localhost. Now I am getting the. There is no log URL. There is no course policy errors. Because why it is not happening here? Because I have added this code to my HTTPS cPanel file. This file. This file is here in cPanel. Go to this one. Right click on this. Click on edit and add this code to this one. This is the code which is required to add in the cPanel. Okay, then only you can access all the blobs. Now you can access another file by using a AXIOS request. Let's add here. Click on this. Let's go to this place too. this one. Now refresh it. Now I am sending AXIOS request. I am getting the blob. Right here we are getting the blob. Right. The array buffer is here. Blob here. And now sending another file, fetch request. This is ICS. Here. Now click on this fetch request. I am getting the response. Right. There is no cause policy error. So this code has to be added to the .HTACCESS file in public HTML folder in CPANEL. Okay, this code has to be added. This is very important. Now you have checked this fetch request. All the fetch requests will also work. Now you just send the JQuery. So add this JQuery file name in. Yeah. Okay. Now send the localhost, and you will get the base64 string also. Because I have made a provision to make a base64 string in it. Also, this is my entire code. Image URL function is there. I'm passing an image into this function, getting the promise, resolve AJAX request is URL, response type is blob, success, if success, then we got the blob, console it, I'm consoling it as a this one, blob, right? Then reader, file reader, on loaded at result, we got the base64 string here. This is giving the base64 string. And resolving it, reader, data, on success, this one. See, it is a return. I'm just keeping it return here. So now I'm passing to, I'm getting this return from this place. So I'm calling this function from this place. Then I got the 64 string from this one. This place I'm getting this one. I'm consoling this base64 string. This one. So base64 string you can work anywhere. Space it and you will get it. Right? Whatever with the login, it will work. Right? So I'm getting the base64 string here. Right? This is my entire code. JQuery is also working. Now go to XMLHTTPREQUEST. Let me check whether it is working or not. Add the name of the file. Go to localhost. Now I'm sending HTTP request. I'm getting the same blob. I'm getting the array buffer also. This is my entire code. This code is base64 to blob. This one. I'm getting the image, this one, sending it to the blob, and getting a promise, resolve, XMLHTTPREQUEST, get response, and after I'm getting a new response. It is a reverse code. Actually, I'm getting base64 to blob. But I haven't made some code for XML to HTTP request. downloading also this function. Look at this. So how we can download it? I'm sending a base64. We don't need this one. I'm sending a URL to XMLHTTP request. You are this one. I'm getting a blob. Then I create the blob. This is the response type. Create a blob from this one. I'm printing it in a blob. This one, the first number. This is my first blob. The 64 string. I'm getting it. Right. Now I'm getting reader and file reader and blob result is there. Then come to this fetch request base64 string, passing this base64 and getting the blob. And I'm getting the blob URL also. This is where is my blob URL? There is a blob URL. Wait a minute. This is my blob URL. Okay. And this is my base64 string. Downloading. This is the blob URL. Now sending the blob URL to this place a tag blob URL, and I'm just converting the blob to blob URL as well as the base64 string to. I'm passing the blob URL, this blob URL to a tag, creating a tag, sending to HFF, set attribute as a download, and then click on append and click and node remove, and that's all my function. XMLHTTPREQUEST send. This is very important. So I'm sending it and downloading it. Look at this, and it is downloading first. Fantastic, right? Look at this. See. So this is all. That's all from my end. To bypass the course policy, you have to add this module. The purpose is to making this YouTube is to set this if module in the .hta right about .htaccess file panel, right? It's very important. So that's all from my end. See you in the next course. Okay, till then, bye bye.